want to be thinner, you get it less. So I'm gonna do it like enough, not too thin and not too thick. Hopefully Facebook can see. Can Facebook see it? All right, thank you so much. Thank you everyone, whoever sharing on Facebook. Somehow we couldn't share it, so I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. All right, so I'm gonna flash clear this one. So I got my gel painting. You can use this again, absolutely, if you don't want to deal with this. I just want to use part of it, and I'm using a gel painting. Good. What is that? Hi, Ras, how are you? Flash clear this. Somehow this one is get slide. Oh, there you go. Sorry. So I am going to take most gels off from this brush. You can using your tuning tip brush and your with the painting gels in a pot. And then we're gonna do to draw that to make a spider web. You can do it thicker as you wish. You just want to do it like really little pressure. You don't want to too heavy-handed with this. If you want to see, it's a thin strokes. This is so, but it's so cool about thing that this weaver gel will save me so much time from drawing straight line, so I don't have to feel really stressed getting my straight line, all the line that I needed it. Great. Now, so I'm gonna flash cure this. Okay, so I have really cool with this. I'm gonna show you this. Remember that when last week I have the mixed bag challenge and I only have the big frame and longer frame. I couldn't find it. It is a smaller one, which is fine. So all you need to do with this cute spider, I'm gonna want to have a like fancy, gorgeous spider. Sound really weird, but I want she to look really nice and sparkle. So you can cut her. I cut few of them, but I want to show you. It's really cool with this crystal clipper. So you can do, probably you want to do this maybe is 60 and 40, which is like longer and shorter for the spider legs. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Well, I'm sorry, not half, 60, 40, or 70, 30. Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be necessarily exact identicals. So get quite a few of them here. So I am gonna do her. And using my drop, I have it in here in my fancy jar. Stays tuned for a lot of I need the jar. So here is my other spiders that I did. You can use it for the gel painting. But because I have the gel painting and the spider web, so that's why I want to do her legs in the frame, on the frame, using a frame. Oh, maybe I should do her in the white ones. No, so go on. Should I do a red one? Red one looks good, huh? Can make her sparkle. Take one of this. And then let's do some condensed glue gels. This is really fun, easy, simple designs for any of you feeling like not about paintings with different designs and feel struggling with Halloween. You can do a lot of fun Halloween designs besides transfer foil and gel painting, because it's like I just did it. It's like simple. How can it's on? I'll try to keep it down like that. Okay. With condensed glue gels, really thick density, after you take it, you make sure you close it. So you don't want it to expose anything with the LED lights or out. And if your stations is closer to the window, you make sure you close it, so then you won't get any like exposure from your solars or UV. Is will cure yours over a period of time. So no wipe top coat. The purpose of no wipe top coat is gonna finish it. Hi Queena, how are you? It will completely like cover the condensed glue gels and it give you perfect a finished final look. Also, it will help between condensed glue gels and top coat will grab the base of the crystals and it keep the crystal like on the foundations on stay on really nice. Hello Kushio, how are you? Hi Mika, how are you? What did you use again for the web? I using Weaver Gel Jessie. this weaver gel first. And so I draw a straight line, like an angle line. And then after that, I using, it's on my side right there. Is the gel painting in the bottle with precision brush to draw really thin lines here. So you can easily to achieve them both in. And I am going to using her body. Let me design. No. Chart.
Put the back in.
No. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this one. You can see that her body is a little bit bigger. So we are going to do that. So just for you to see the look of it, get an idea. So we are going to do and I might adjusting her a little bit as I place her legs in here. Really simple, it's cool. And her, she had the two long ones right there. You can draw that. I can either draw that with the gel painting, but I want you to see the fun about this. And then I haven't had time with the paper right there. It's really simple, everyone. You're gonna have so much fun with this, like a spider. It's one of the cool fun things to do. You can draw it. Draw is fun as well. But this one, it seems like really fancy spider. It doesn't look scary at all. Then you'll place that another leg there. Right there. That's it. And let's see what else we're gonna add her in her eyes right there. Whatever that's her eyes or antenna. Okay, so I'm not using that 2 beads. The go beads right there. However you want to dress yours. It's gonna be fun. You can put the crystals on it. It looks super cute as well. Okay, so if you're happy with this, if you want anything else like a little crystal, you can. I don't know what else you want. You can absolutely add more as you wish. But we're doing a short nail today. Maybe it's little hints of other spiders going from a different direction. What is there? So you can add this in here. Maybe spider eggs. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I don't know how it looks like. Have you ever seen spider eggs? What it looks like, if anyone knows. I just pretend. I would never care much about spider enough to do some investigating about it. I might be able to Google it. We'll see what it looks like. Just curious if anybody knows. Some of you might know. If I ask my kids, Emily probably she would know. Alright. Okay, she's so cute. Okay, I'll leave her alone and I'm gonna clear her